In this video, I will show you how to run two nodes, which is Allora and Nubit node in one VPS. I have already made the video on Nubit Lite client, as you can see here. You can check it out on our YouTube. Before proceeding to run Allora network node, first please check this Nubit Lite client node. Do not buy VPS. I have shown in this node that we have to buy VPS, but do not buy VPS using the this video. I will show you which VPS to buy. Okay. See, okay. First come to PK hosting, then go to this VPS storage. Then as you can see, we have Argentum storage, okay, 2 GB RAM, 75 GB SSD. Order this server. It is 5.27 euros, which will cost you around 6.3 something dollar, okay, USDT. See, as you can see, I have already run this Nubit Lite client node. First run Nubit Lite client node and then run Allora network node, okay. But make sure to use screen. You can watch the video that I have uploaded on Nubit. Follow the same process. First we will do it on Nubit Lite client and then we will proceed to Allora network, okay. So this is the code file which someone has uploaded. We will use this to do our network node. So first copy one by one. This probably take some time, okay. So this is a lengthy process. The Allora network node is a very lengthy process, so it might take a lot of time. And then just copy command one by one and then paste. So this downloading also takes a lot of time. After this, press 8. As you can see, it shows us none of the above. We don't want to select anything. Just click 8, and we will install Docker. While installing Docker, make sure to type one by one. Don't type don't copy everything at once. Okay, just start copying one by one only. Then as you can see, this echo we will have copied from starting from bottom completely, okay. Just copy the whole thing from echo to sudo apt get update. And we will install Docker. Sometimes it might get stuck. Don't worry, because it depends on your computer's internet, so it might take a lot of time for some code to run. Type 8 and then continue. As you can see, Docker is Compose is installed. We can see the version. Now we are installing locmd. So now it gets stuck. Okay, here it gets stuck, but don't worry, it might take some time. In locmd version, we can see locmd is installed. Okay, then we will set up our wallet. This also takes a lot of time, so I have edited the part. See, cd Allora chain and make all command takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so don't worry if it gets stuck. Like if you think it's not working, it is working, but it's downloading a lot of things, so it might take a lot of time, around 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, what I did is I stopped again and then I ran. If something is happening, if it didn't work, just stop it, Control C, and then you can run again after some time if it didn't work. Okay, then this also takes a lot of time, so it gets stuck around this version. I will tell you. So this gets stuck around here, version 0.3.0. After this, it will take around 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. So here it was not running for me, so it was not showing the version. Okay, but it did work, but it was not showing me the correct version. But it have installed successfully, because when we start do like create a new wallet, it will tell you if it is installed or not. Okay, so one thing to make sure is we have to create a new wallet. Do not use your old wallet seed phrase. Never use your old wallet seed phrase in any of these tasks. Okay, always if there is a possibility to create a new wallet, always create a new wallet. So after running this command, you will get a new seed phrase. Okay, I have not shown in this video because it will give my seed phrase. So what you have to do is, after running this command, you have to copy this seed phrase, which we will need it later. I will show you. Okay, so now it gets stuck. My putty is not responding. Okay, so it will take some time. Then enter your passphrase which you can remember. Don't use complicated passphrase. Just use a simple passphrase that you can remember. After entering the passphrase, you will get your seed phrase. Just copy that seed phrase and you will import that seed phrase into Kepler wallet. So as you can see, I have already imported, like I have already copied the seed phrase and I have imported it. Wait, I am not imported. Okay, if After importing this, after copying the seed phrase, make sure to add Allora testnet chain to your Kepler wallet. I will provide all of this link in Telegram channel, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. You can see we can with the seed phrase that you have copied, import it into Kepler wallet. After importing, just add this Allora edgenet. Okay, add this Allora edgenet ULO. Remember, we have to take faucet first before proceeding. Okay, faucet is very important. If you did not take faucet, it will show you error at some point in later video. So you must make sure you have faucet. Okay, just copy this Allora ULO address. If for by any chance if you get any error like request failed, you can use your mobile data or VPN. Okay, now make sure that you have received that ULO faucet in your wallet before proceeding. Now just copy this command one by one. Start copying this command one by one. See, sometimes putty gives fatal error. What you have to do is just start putty again. No need to worry. Just you can restart your putty again. So just start copying your code one by one. See, in this mkdir data, don't try to copy everything at once. Just copy line one by one. Okay. First mkdir worker data and then second mkdir head data. What this is doing is it is creating a directory in your basic coin prediction node folder. And copy this command one by one. So this might take a lot of time. I will just copy your code like one by one. Make sure after running this cat file, after running this cat code, cat head data keys, you will get a head ID like just like this. Okay, you will get a head ID. Make sure to copy it before root. Okay, do not copy after. Do not copy this R. Okay, just copy from before L, from 12D to L. As you can see, I have copied from 12D to JL. Do not copy this root part. Okay, make sure you save this somewhere before proceeding. After this, run this rmrf command. So one problem that I have faced while doing this is my nano was not installed in my VPS, so it got stuck. Okay, so then I again closed my putty. So again I closed my putty and started it. What you have to make sure after restarting this putty at this point, if this code didn't run, is you have to go in this directory. Okay, basic coin price prediction node directory. So how to go into into this directory? You just have to type cd and then space. If you just type basic, okay, and then press tab, it will automatically show you the this whole line. Okay, then just enter. You will be directed to this directory. basic coin price prediction mode. Do not run this rmrf command outside of this directory. Okay, just make sure to go into this directory. See, I have come back again. You will after restarting your node, you will be right at root. Okay, so if you type ls, you will see your the directory. We have Nubit node which is running, and then we have basic coin price prediction node. Okay, just type cd and then bas tab. Okay, then press enter. After doing this is like you have to install nano. Just type sudo apt get install nano. Okay, what you can do is in this is like you can install nano before before running this command. Okay, you can do this after as well, but if you wish, you can do it before as well. Just type 8 and then continue. Then run this rmrf docker compose word.ym and nano docker compose yml. Okay, this gnu nano will open. Then copy this whole command, and then we have to replace the head id that we just copied from like here, and then wallet seed phrase that we got while import that we have imported, right? The wallet that we have imported, our Kepler wallet and taken faucet. Do not use your cursor, use your up and down keyboard key to navigate, because cursor will your mouse will not work here. You have to use your up and down key. Okay, so while copying this command, there is some error that you will get while copying this, because as you can see here, head id doesn't have any semicolon. Okay, head id we should have a semicolon. I will show. See, I have just put semicolon in the front and back of this head id, and then just paste your head id here that you have copied. Okay, and then wallet seed phrase. Yeah, what you have to do is just paste your head id that you have copied from above, and then the wallet seed phrase right around here. Make sure to have it inside semicolon. Okay, do not just delete everything and then paste. You must have it inside your semicolon. Okay, I have done the part. Then run this docker compose build single command, and then docker compose upd. This takes a lot of time. Okay, then after this you can run docker compose upd. So you will get error if you get error while doing this. See, as you can see, I have got an error in this interference container. Okay, if you do not get error, you can proceed, but if you do get error, what if in any of the container, what you have to do is you have to shut down your docker. Okay, how do you shut down your docker? Wait, see, it says dependency failed. Okay, what you have to do is you come down here, and then it says that steps to restart docker containers for troubleshooting. Just copy this command docker compose down, and again you have to run this docker compose up-d. Okay, docker compose, stop the running container. and then run this docker compose up dash d command again. So now it is working. So now it is working. The error is gone. So now we will proceed again from up. Okay, then just type docker ps. It will show you all the running containers. We just need the id of this worker node. Okay, we just need id of this worker node, which is this 97 from 1d, 97 to 1d. Just copy this. And see, what we have to do is we have to type this command, which is docker which is docker. 1 second, why it is showing? After getting this container ID of this node worker, we need to type this command. Okay, docker logs f dash container command, container ID command. See this command, docker logs dash f, the container ID that we have just copied. Just delete this container ID and just paste the container ID of this worker that we have just copied. Okay, but the problem that I faced was I didn't get this success transaction hash. Okay, this success register node transaction hash. Let's say if you get or did not get, how do you check your node is running? Okay, how to check if your node is running? So what you have to do is, after when you get around here, this component host dbg host started here, this just closed your putty. You will just close your putty and restart again. I have closed my putty and I have restarted again. You come down here. This is the code to check if your node is running or not. Okay, check node status. Just copy this whole command. Okay, just copy this curl whole command. Before doing this, make sure to register your wallet address here in application.allora.network. Just import the wallet that you have imported using this VPS. The wallet that you have imported using the seed phrase, just submit that, register this wallet into this application app.allora.network. Now to check if your node is running or not, just copy this whole command. Okay, your worker from this worker node command. Just copy this whole command, worker node. Copy this whole command, worker node, and then press enter. So it will take some time. See, you can check the response here. It should match here. It should not give you any error. Okay, sometimes it gives error. Make sure that it does not give you any error. So it should be something similar like this, but this PRCS code will be different. Okay, see, code 200 request ID, then peers. Sometimes a lot of people get error here around result. Okay, result, it says something WSH error something. If it gives you something error, then your node is not working properly. Okay, this is the proper response for your node to work. If for suppose this is not working, then you should go back to Docker command. Then you should run this following command. Okay, restart your Docker containers. Docker compose down and then Docker compose up dash d. After running this Docker compose up dash d, then you should run again that Docker ps command for container. That will list your container, and then run that Docker container ID command. Okay. It gets stuck around here, I don't know why. See, after Docker compose down command and after Docker compose up dash d command, you should run this Docker ps command, which will show you your container ID. Then copy this worker container ID and then paste this Docker logs dash f container, your container ID. If you get error while checking your node status, okay, if it shows something error in this part, you just run this Docker compose down command that I have shown below, then Docker compose up dash d, then Docker ps, that will list to you your container ID, then this command Docker logs f dash container ID. Okay, so that's it. If you get this command, that this means you have successfully run your node. So if you have any query, you can reach out to us in our Telegram channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video.